Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
These are trials and tribulations. My mind overloaded by these things. I have no patience. I've been patiently waiting for Satan to exit stage left. A deep breath. I ain't got none of those things left. I've been searching on the inside, cause the pain that I endure makes the songs cry. And the tears come from my calm eyes. Life's a bitch and I'm looking for a strong line to make you understand why I'm here and where I draw the line. They say the sun gon' come out in due time, but these dark skies got me headed to the dark side. In a dark place, fighting for my sanity. This can't be life, God. I'm working with the things that you handed me. I lost my family and a lot of my friends. Got a couple real ones that'll support me to the end. Even though I know what it's like to lose, it still hurts me when I do. And although I am a man, I feel the hurt and the pain too. It's up to me to get back up when I fall in these damn moods. And I feel I never win, cause every day I'm gon' lose. I gotta keep fighting in pursuit, keep fighting in pursuit.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight. I live to fight. Yeah. I live to fight.
I wanted to do something different. I'm always doing things with my waffles, but today I just wanted them to be alone. So I'm going to call these my naked waffles.
My persistence is what kept me here.
Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished product. Nice and simple, quick and easy. Yes, it is going to be amazing. You already know. Subscribe to the Kool Zone if you like what we're doing over here. So much more to come. I love y'all. Stay tuned.
Niggas succeed in front of me. A superstar in this game, yes, I'm one of these. My confidence is high as it ever gonna be. And I know that the Lord loves me. Yeah, He loves me. Keep me out of that dark place. He put that love in my heart, and I strive to make sure that everything will be okay, even if I fall on my face.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life.